Kangpokpida leba Oasis Collegeda Interfaith Cooperation for Empowerment and Life Transformation haiba theme asida numit nini chupna workshop pangthokki. Manipurda santi puraknaba hotnabada education amadi leadership na maru oiba thodang loragani haiba wafamda yumpham oiba program adu India Peace Center na sponsor tawkhibani. Program aduda faith leaders naha amadi community members singna saruk yaki. Anisuba numitta program adugi khana neinaba session da Goodwill Ambassador of Oasis College same haukipna wa ngangnaduna hai. Mapung faba education na tungi yumbiril singda wakhal khanthanaba pangal piba amadi lisang shitna santi purakpa ngamnaba solution oi. Program adugi makha tarakpa session da All Manipur Christian Organization gi President Reverend Simon Raumaina hai. Youth ki afaba leadership na leibag asida santi puraknaba achoba thodang lei. Amadi leibag asida leiriba tongan-tonganba community masel loina amaga respect tonaduna lon tinnaba leirabasu tongan-tonganba culture singbu khangminnaba asina taungdu leitana leiminnabagi tangai fadraba thodang ama oiri. Workshop aduna loisanlakpada How do we look at each other haiba topic asida discussion toduna tungda lakadaba matamda leibak asida santi purakpa amadi karamna kanglup masil yanaba purakpa ngamgani haibagi matangda wafam kaya thamnaki. District Health Society Kangpokpi District na sinnaduna nongmagi oiba Home-Based Care for Youth Home-Based Care for Young Child hairiba theme makhada Autonomous District Council dasu training pangthokki. Autonomous District Council Sadar Hills Community Hall da pangthokkiba thoram aduda PHC Kangpokpi makhada chanba Asa Health Workers amasung medical team singna young child care gi matangda training phangki. Leibak asigi 77 suba Republic Day gi palan thoram Brigadier M. Thomas Ground Kangpokpi da pangthokki. Palan thoram aduda district asigi Deputy Commissioner Mahesh Chaudhary na jati asigi machu ahumgi firal atiyada pahanki. Masigi matungda Sri Pavitra Goyal IPS na Parade Commander oina luchingba ningthinjaraba March Past Contingent Kunmarigi Salami Deputy Commissioner na olkhi. Masida natana District Administration makhada government officials amasung private individuals singna certificate ginthokki. Loinana natki oiba jagoi kayasu utkhi. District Health Society Kangpokpi District na sinnaduna nongmagi oiba Home-Based Care for Young Child hairiba theme makhada training Gamnom Community Hall Sapormainada pangthokki. Pangthokkiba thoram aduda PHC Motbung amasung PHC Gamphozol manung channa leiba Asa Health Workers singna training ki khudongchaba lokhatli. Manipur State Legal Services Authority amasung District Legal Services Authority Senapati na khutsamnaduna Dr. Anjali Nayak Nursing College da nongmagi Promotional Legal Aid amasung Awareness Campaign pangthokki. Thoram aduda Advocate Lamnei Chong amasung Chief Judicial Magistrate Robert Thungdim na Legal Aid amasung Social Equality gi matangda wa ngangki. Thoram aduda MASLSA member amasung Dr. Anjali Nayak Nursing School gi Satra Satri singna saruk yaki. Presidency College Motbung amasung Oasis College Kangpokpi na khutsamnaduna numit nini chupna chathariba National Seminar Presidency College Motbung da pangthokre. Democratic Decentralization in the Northeast an analytical study of the working of the Panchayati Raj institutions and autonomous district councils in Manipur. Haiba hiramda pangthokhiba thoram aduda Saitu Assembly Constituency MLA Haukulet Kipgen, President, FEETS Group of Institution Hengbong Gautam Mukhopadhyaya, IFS amasung Nehu Shillongdagi Professor Royal Hangsingna, Mathangsidna Athoiba Mithung, Thoram Mapu Amadi Akhanaba Mithung Oina Saruk Yaki, Loinana Mioi, Cha Amahenna Saruk Yaki.